Hello friends, welcome back. In today's math lesson video, we are going to learn what are whole numbers and what is not a whole number. Are you ready to learn something new today? Let's get started. Before we start, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe for more math videos, like and share. This is one of the easiest thing you are going to learn in maths. What are whole numbers? It's pretty simple. It's a basic counting numbers including zero. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. Whether it is 120, 150, 400, 500, and so on. Whether it is 786, 999, 1050, or any number you can think of. They are all called whole numbers. That is it. It's simply the basic counting numbers. Now, let's check your knowledge. What do you think? Is this a whole number? Yes, it is. Any number is a whole number. What about 640? Is it a whole number? Yes, it is a whole number. What about 1120? Yes, it is also a whole number. It's pretty simple and straightforward, right? Alright, so we just learned what are whole numbers. Now let's take a look at what is not the whole number. Any negative numbers are not the whole numbers. For example, -2, -5, -10, -20, -62, whether it is -100, -500, or -999, and so on with the negative number is not going to be the whole number. What else is not the whole number? Any number with the decimal sign is not going to be the whole number. For example, 3.6, 5.4, 7.1, 9.2, 10.6, 13.8, or whatever, 20.8, 30.9, and so on. Any number with the decimal is not going to be the whole number. Let's see, what else is not the whole number? Any number with the fraction is not going to be the whole number. For example, 2/3, 1/6, 7/8, 9/2, 11/3, and so on is not going to be the whole number. That is it. Negative number is not going to be the whole number. Number with the decimal is not going to be the whole number. And number with the fraction is not going to be the whole number. That is it, guys. That is all about the whole numbers. Hope you liked the video and you learned something new today. Please like and share. Bye. Thank you.